When your Giffgaff data stops working, several common factors could be the cause. Understanding these root causes will help you identify what's preventing your mobile data connection. First, check if your device is compatible with modern networks. O2, which provides Giffgaff's network infrastructure, is shutting down 3G services in 2025. Older devices that only support 3G will lose mobile data connectivity. Coverage problems are another major cause of data issues. Even with a compatible device, you need to be in an area with good signal strength. Giffgaff provides a coverage checker tool to verify signal availability in your location. Sometimes the issue is simply that mobile data is disabled in your phone's settings. This is one of the most common oversights that prevents data connectivity, even when everything else is configured correctly. Your data might not work if you've exhausted your monthly allowance or run out of credit. Giffgaff uses goodie bags for monthly data packages, and once your allowance is used up, you'll need to purchase a new goodie bag or add credit to continue using data. Finally, temporary network outages can disrupt service, as reported in June 2025. Additionally, incorrect APN settings are a common cause of data problems. The APN acts as a gateway between your device and the internet and must be configured correctly for Giffgaff. These are the main reasons why your Giffgaff data might not be working. Understanding these root causes helps you identify the specific issue affecting your connection before attempting troubleshooting steps. The most common cause of Giffgaff data issues is incorrect APN settings. These settings act as a gateway between your device and the internet. Restarting your device is often the simplest solution. This refreshes your network connection and clears temporary glitches. Performing a manual roam forces your device to reconnect to the network towers, which can resolve connection issues. Sometimes the SIM card contacts become dirty or oxidized. Gently cleaning the gold contacts can restore proper connection. If you're traveling abroad, ensure data roaming is enabled in your device settings. Giffgaff offers roaming in 37 EU locations. Check if there are any reported network issues in your area. Both Giffgaff and O2 websites provide coverage maps and outage information. If none of these steps resolve your issue, reach out to the Giffgaff community for help or contact a Giffgaff agent directly for personalized support.